Mr. Speaker.
Honourable member for Abbotsford.
Well, Mr. Speaker, last year Loblaws made $3 billion in profit. Yet yesterday, the Minister of the Environment gave Loblaws $12 million to do what? Buy fridges. This money came from hardworking Canadians, seniors and low-income families who struggle to make ends meet. Now you tell me, how many Canadians can walk into the Prime Minister's office and ask them to pay for a new fridge? How many? Why is it always the wealthy and well-connected that get handouts from these Liberals?
The honourable member for Abbotsford, my good friend, he seems to be asking me a question, but I think he knows he has to ask questions to the other side. The honourable, I'm happy that members are in a good mood, at least for a moment. The honourable Minister of Environment.
Mr. Speaker, I got so excited when I saw the member stand up because I thought he was going to talk about their climate change plan. It's been 345 days since they announced the climate change plan. What is our plan? We're phasing out coal, investing in renewables, providing a just transition for workers. We're investing in public transportation across the country. We're investing in clean tech companies. And yes, we're investing in energy efficiency. And this was an open tender, open to any company, organization across the country to get bang for the buck, because guess what? Canadians want to reduce their emissions. It's only the party opposite.
Order. The honourable member for Calgary Nose Hill.
I'm so glad that the minister talked about her plan. A plan that taxes Canadians for committing the sin of heating their homes in the winter, which will do nothing to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and then giving that money to Loblaws to buy freezers. I'm really good with that not being our plan. I'm proud to say we don't do that. Why is this government so hell-bent on taking from the poor to give to the rich?